What's going on, guys? So I'm not sure if you saw the first video, but this is part 2. This is the other thing I got from the grocery store that piqued my interest, mostly because of the gold bag. I'm like gold member. I like gold. This got my attention right away. But then I read it and I thought, all right, let's try it. Let's try it. So these are Doritos Golden Sriracha. Golden Sriracha. So what I'm assuming we have here is a plain tortilla chip, right? It's their naked chips, or corn flavored. I don't know if you saw that video I did, which is just, I mean, it's great marketing, right? It's just, let's make a Dorito, but before we put any stuff on it, let's just not. Let's just throw some salt on there and call them corn flavored, because guess what? It's made out of corn. So it's gonna taste like corn. Brilliant. But anyway, I'm assuming that's what it is. It's just their naked chip with maybe some sriracha powder on it. So instead of doing like sriracha and the cheese they normally would, maybe just the sriracha. I don't know. We're gonna try it out. It smells so dry. It smells like dry heat, like just peppers, and definitely a ton of corn. So it smells actually like a really good corn salsa, like if you have that roasted corn with the little peppers in it, you know, jalapeno bits and stuff. Like a really good side dish. There they are. Naked chips. Sriracha. Golden Sriracha. All right, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. Uh-oh. We go number 2. Wow. Those are delicious. So, right away, you get a ton of corn flavor, because that's mainly what it is. And surprisingly, there's a really good sweetness there. Then you get the pepper. You get the sriracha flavor, like, you know, sriracha sauce, which is a little bit of garlicky. Well, sriracha sauce is massively garlicky. This flavor is just a little bit of garlic. But it's subtle. Then you get a nice, very little burn. It's like a perfect burn for most people. If you don't like spicy things, you probably wouldn't like it just because it's slightly spicy. But it's not going to be like, you know, constant, what's it called? The Cheetos things, not red hot. What the hell is it called? But you know what I'm saying, right? Some snacks end up being too spicy to really like just enjoy for the common person. But it really is giving me huge like sweet chili vibes, but a different thing. So like if your go-to chip is that big purple wonderful bag of Doritos sweet chili, which that is probably one of my favorites, if not my favorite. This is a different version of it. This is a more corn forward flavor. It's wonderful. The sweetness really makes a huge difference. I feel like if it wasn't sweet, I wouldn't like it as much. Man, it's good. Literally put them away because I'll say it and I'll have a whole handful. So those are awesome. Huge thumb up. I mean, I love the bag because it's gold. You know, what's not to love? It screams, hey, buy me. But the flavor is great. It actually does say tangy sweet. I didn't see that. I don't know about the tangy. Not really got a tangy thing there, but definitely sweet with just the perfect amount of heat and a ton of corn flavor. So I dig it. Definitely. This might be, well, right now it's definitely my new favorite flavor. And I have to see if I would take it over sweet chili long term though. Sweet chili is just, I got decades of of enjoying those. This is just the first time, so. It's one of those things, this probably won't last, you know, it's just a limited time only, and so you really like something and then it's gone forever. It is what it is. I doubt this will be a permanent flavor, but I wish it was. It is delicious. So if you like sweet Doritos, or sweet chili Doritos specifically, you have to try these. If you think those are disgusting, the sweet chili, you probably won't like these, because the sweet part of the chip, that's something either you love or hate. Like if you have a Dorito and it's sweet and you're like, yeah, it's really good, that's probably one of 2 reactions, right? The other reaction is, no, that's, ew, why would you want a sweet Dorito? There's not a whole lot of in between. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know if you guys like Doritos over potato chips. I like potato chips, but I would take a corn chip, like a Fritos or a Doritos, anytime over regular chips. Same thing with, like, you know, crunchy Cheetos or something. I just like those corn-based type snacks just a little more than potato chips, but that's just me. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.